Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to comment on YouTube Shorts. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open it, and after that if you are on the main screen you have just to click on Shorts on the bottom of the screen options, and after that staring at the ceiling. If you are on this video, if you want to comment, as you can see on the right side of the screen there is that comments icon. Just click on it and go and add the comment. Type your comment. For example, I will say good video, and I will put a icon, and after that click on that send icon, and voila, I put my comment on that video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.